Hi, this is Esther Bonfeld from Diaspora Insurance, and today we have Joy Awe. Right? Did I pronounce your name correct?
That's how people call me, but I'm Joy Sense. Really, and yes.
So first of all, we have to thank Joy for introducing and bringing Diaspora Insurance to the Kenyan community in Europe, and we want to thank you for that. And before you did that, I think you signed up with us. And how long have you been signed up with us? Can you tell us a little bit about your experience with Diaspora Insurance?
Wow, thank you so much for still here. Since 2022.
Yes.
I got to know about Diaspora Insurance. I got to know it, but actually we're looking for a solution. For how can we help ourselves after death.
Okay.
Because you know the WhatsApp group every day.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a Kenyan living in Germany, and somebody from Berlin, you can imagine, in the very south of Germany, asked me to contribute money for somebody I don't know.
Right.
So this was quite worrying.
Yeah.
And when we got to know about the Diaspora Insurance, and it was very, very eye-opening for me. I was like, that's it. That's it. So anybody who put me on a WhatsApp group, have to get a Diaspora Insurance.
I love that.
And immediately we worked together with the Diaspora Insurance, and I said, I'm not leaving you. You can leave me, but I'm not leaving because I don't want to be all the time in the WhatsApp group.
Yes.
Because I have planned myself. So I took my cover.
Perfect.
And I took for myself, but actually it was for my parents, because I thought of my parents, you know, the way you're called and you don't know if you're prepared with your money and have children. I'm also a single mother, which is very important for every single parent, because we don't know where we will be when it happens. It can happen on the road, and then you have children at home. And what I like with the Diaspora Insurance, you have the cash money in 24 hours, and you can deal with the matters that matters most at that point.
At that point, we like to call it end of life expense.
Yeah.
So in Swahili simply said, tukae tumejipanga. Kujipanga, kwa sababu when we're in diaspora, really, it's worrying you not knowing what will happen. You're a single mom. You don't want to leave a burden to someone. So kujipanga. So and who else have you covered? So you are the principal policy cover.
The principal, that's as it works. You have to be a principal person from the diaspora, and then you can add your relatives back at home. You can go to anywhere.
Mother-in-law.
The other day, someone called me and remembered that there was a Diaspora Insurance because her mother got unfortunately died from an accident, and she had just was a process of signing the whole process. And I was like, she called me when it was almost going to the flight. Right now, I remember you, and all my group members want to have this policy. And they're all now calling and having, because it happens.
It happens.
And it's not a very expensive policy. Nope. Something that you can afford. And I say you can play around. If you want horses to ride you when you're going for your burial, I think we've seen those horses.
Like mine,
I think I want that one.
Mine, I want a horse.
And now the question is here, Kenya.
It's a taboo topic, and we talk about what you would wish, but this is a policy that you can be able to actually say things like this. Because there's one thing, I have to tell you this very quickly. There's a Kenyan who was flown to Nairobi for a funeral, and they couldn't get that Kenyan off the airport for 2 days because the money that was contributed by Kenyans in diaspora was not enough. So when he was in Kenya, they still could not get him off the airport. So, Wakenya, tujipange. Cameroonians, 19 countries in Africa, let us cover ourselves and live a dignified life like Joy has done, like I have done as well for 2 years, and it's been an amazing experience. And we prophesy life.
Of course. It makes
85 years, it makes life fun, your peace of mind guaranteed. So we live a dignified life like this. I'll have to here at the end of the
Come to my party when I'm dead.
Zero mchango, zero M-Pesa, zero GoFundMe. Jipange. Keyword, jipange.
Jipange. Usichelewe.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you for the work that you're doing.
You're
doing amazing work. Continue doing that. We're networking with all the Kenyans, not only Kenyans. Anybody you know around should have this. Nigerians, Cameroonians, all are coming on board. And thank you, Dr. Sibet and the whole community and Jeff for the work that you've been doing in the background. We really appreciate that because it really makes our life easier as community leaders.
Fantastic.
So that we have a solution for our members all over the world. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Diaspora Insurance. Peace of mind guaranteed.